We are at the amusement park. Wow, it is so big. Arshia, we need tickets. Yes, let's get 2 tickets. Which ride should we try first? I want to ride the Ferris wheel. Great idea. Look, we are going up. Wow, we can see the whole park. Are you scared, Aaron? A little, but I'm excited. Can I have cotton candy? Sure. Which color do you want? Pink, please. Would you like some popcorn? Yes, please. Why are we waiting? We are waiting in line for the ride. Okay, I can wait. This ride is fun. Yes! Hold on tight. I won! Great job, Aaron. What was your favorite ride? The Ferris wheel. Mine too. Did you have fun today? Yes, it was amazing. See you in our next story.